Abdominal massage technique shared. Step 1. Circularly press and knead. Clockwise for constipation relief. Counterclockwise for diarrhea relief. Step 2. Push and knead downwards from above with palms of both hands. Step 3. Successively point press Shengwan, Zhengwan, Xiaowan, Shenkei, Qihai, Tianshu, Daimai. Lift and pull both sides of the waist. Step 4. Thumbs of both hands horizontally push outwards from the center of the abdomen. Circularly soothe and relax. Step 5. Clench your fist and use finger knuckles to push and scrape. First scrape the midline, then scrape both sides. After finishing, lift and pull both sides of the abdomen, and circularly soothe and relax. Step 6. Overlap palms and use finger pads to press and knead around the large intestine once. Step 7. Clench your fist and use finger knuckles to press and knead around the navel for the small intestine. Step 8. Push and knead with palm heels. Step 9. Overlap both hands and perform rhombus pushing. Step 10. Horizontally push and pull the meridian on both sides. Step 11. Alternately grasp and pinch the meridian with both hands. Circularly soothe the abdomen. Step 12. Horizontally elbow push the entire abdomen. After pushing, circularly soothe. Finally, overlap both hands and perform gas expulsion.